Google, the largest search engine on the planet. YouTube, the second largest search engine on the planet and owned by Google. How can we use these two platforms and make money with it without any experience? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in today's video, how you can make $97 again and again with a simple Google trick. No previous experience is required. This is worldwide. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship, and much more. First, a disclaimer. Results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. But if you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So therefore, it is highly recommended to watch the whole video so you can get started to make $97 again and again, or actually a lot more. Make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel. It is my IM Tips. It is related to make money online, internet marketing tips, and a lot more. And if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a long-term, real, sustainable online business, I highly recommend you to check out my #1 recommendation right here below as soon as we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's get started to see how we can make $97 again and again, or actually more, with a simple Google strategy here. Okay guys, so basically first part are going to be about how to find clients, and the second part is to how to actually offer this service that I'm going to show you here, how super easy you can do this without any previous experience, okay? What we are going to do is we want to go to Google Maps. And I suggest actually to get started locally in your area, but you can of course go ahead and do this wherever you want, because you don't have to talk to them. All you have to do is contact them via email, those clients, and I'm going to show you what you're going to offer them. So basically you can see here, if I type, for example, psychiatrist in West Virginia, okay? I'm just going to take something as an example here. And of course there is tons of psychiatrists here. Some have websites and some don't. It doesn't matter actually if they have website or not, but it's a good start point because it means they have invested in something online. But I think that these have actually also a lot of opportunities with what I'm gonna share with you here in today's video. Let's just pick something here and open it up real quick and see here, Marshall Health, for example. Let's see here what I have as a services. And it is very easy here. We can get tons of material that can help us actually down the road here, okay? So let's use this as an example. Now what we are going to offer them is actually videos, because video, as we know, is the second largest search engine, people searching for everything here, and we are going to offer them videos actually. And this is much easier to do than you actually think with the strategy and the tool I'm going to share with you here right now. So basically the tool I'm going to share with you here is called Vidnami. Now I actually create tons of videos on a daily basis with this, have been very busy actually lately and making money with this site. So I wanted to share it with you guys and actually help you making money with this. So I'm going to illustrate here real quick how you can actually do videos here without any previous experience. First, we are going to create a new video, and you can see here you can do square videos and landscape. So let's go for landscape. Tons of beautiful templates that you can use here, and you can actually tweak these themes. I'm doing it every single day, as I said earlier here. Let's pick something. Let's pick this one here, the corporate blue. We use the template here, and let's just name it test. I'm just going to grab something randomly here and paste the copy, and we'll need to fix this real quick. So I'm just going to do it a little bit beautiful here. Okay, we not want to take too much of the time here. Now this is the beauty here, okay? So basically it doesn't have to be related with psychiatrist. It can be whatever. It can be a gym or anyone actually that you think could be a possible client, because people want especially these days, they are very, very interested in actually promoting their business. So now I'm going to share with you here, we are going to create scenes, and this is the beauty here with the software here. It actually finds, look at this, I already have the video more or less done. This is amazing, guys, okay? So basically, I don't have to do more or less anything. Now, if there is some unrelated clips here, I can tweak them. Many people, let's say for example here, if I wanted to go for a year, you can just type year and you can see here 2020 and so on there. If it is Christmas time, you can add the clip here. We can also change the text position. If you want to highlight or not, you can do that as well. You see, guys, how easy it is to work with this. This is insane. So we can just go for individuals, for example, and we can have something like this. Okay. So this is amazing, guys. I'm really blown away how easy it is to create videos with Vidnami here. And there is a 14-day free trial that I'm going to leave here right here below. But I'm also going to show you how you can actually apply to these businesses. So now that I solved this problem for you, you can of course also provide voice. There is actually auto-generated voice, or you can record your own voice track, or you can actually upload another one's voiceover. But the auto voice is pretty good in my opinion, okay? It's one of the better that I heard out there. So,
Hi, my name is Luke and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
And you can see here you have, for example, with USA, we have male, female, United Kingdom, Australia. Tons of opportunities to pick from if we want to. So here's how we can preview the video, and you can see here this is 37 seconds right now. It have generated this video in seconds. I can go in and manually adjust it if I want to here. The time scenes, or so I can just, let's say for example that I want this slide here and this here, this scene. And now I can go also back again to looks good, continue. And I can actually add music here also. You can choose, of course, whatever you want here. A lot of modes, tons of music in as well here. So basically how it works is that Vidnami is working together with Storyblocks, and they are picking all the footage and music from this site here. And look at this, guys, this is amazing. 936,000 clips around here, and I can't remember how much music, but there is thousands of music clips as well. Okay, only for Storyblocks alone is $29, but we can actually save ourselves some time by signing up with Vidnami here. And as I said, there is a 14-day free trial, so you can go ahead and start to see how you can easily making video with this. So now you have your video in place, and all you have to do is actually render it. It takes a minute or so. So how you're going to apply to these customers is really simple, okay? You have to contact them by sending them an email. You're going to find, of course, the information on Google Maps. And now look at this. This is very important. So, hi, Mr. X, if you can find the name or so. If not, you have to skip this, but you can say, I found you via Google and it's a very nice and interesting site you have there. I'm not going to take up too much of your time because everyone is busy, so you clearly state that, but I wanted to quickly show you a video that I think that you could benefit from actually getting more clients for your business, which means also more sales for you. Keep in mind, guys, it's all in it, what's in it for me as a client. If you are interested, just contact me and we can discuss further on how we can customize and do a video that converts for you. Thank you with your name and your contact address there, telephone or whatever you're going to offer. So this is how you are going to approach this. Now, of course, not everyone is going to answer to you, so all you have to do is actually, if I go back here, you can see actually if I zoom out, there is tons of people that we can contact here, okay? And this is just one niche. I mean, you can go, for example, plumbers, okay? Plumbers, West Virginia, all right? Let's see how it looks if we go back here to Google. There is tons of people actually offering it here. Now, one step Now, if you want to go one step further, because you can actually help them also uploading the video on YouTube and help them to drive some traffic. And you can do it really simple. I'm just going to give you a quick example here. So Plumbers, West Virginia. You can see here if I use a tool like TubeBuddy, it is totally free. I'm going to leave a link. Now, of course, you get more options with the paid version. But look at this, guys. This is cool. You can see here on how you can actually rank for long tail keywords, okay? So I mean, let's say for example, plumbing, plumbing, West Virginia. This is pretty good as it is, but plumbing. So let's say we hit plumbing services, West Virginia. It's still fair, but it is one keyword that we can use. And this is so cool with this tool actually, because we can use these keywords. So if I go for West Virginia plumbers, for example, you can see here it is good, all right? West Virginia plumbers, I don't know, north side or something like that, okay? This is cool, and you can actually target a more long tail keyword. Look at this, for example, Mountaineer Plumbers homepage intro, top plumber, West Virginia top plumber, I don't know, something like this, for example, okay? So if I go here and have a look at it, look at this, 46. Now, if you have the weighted, you can see here, it's 46. So this is pretty good actually. And here you can also use these tags. You just copy the tags here, so you can use these tags. For example, plumbers in Beckley, West Virginia will probably a better keyword. So if I go here, for example, and you can use these tags actually when you upload the video there. So that is another service you can offer. You can easily charge $97 or more if you want to. If you want to combine with YouTube and everything, you definitely are going to have a chance on how you can make more money with it. So guys, no excuses. You can get started with this. It's a 14-day free trial. Here's another cool thing. You can add a watermark if you want to do during the whole video. So by adding their logo, if you find it on their website, they are going to feel like, wow, this is perfect for me. This is exactly what I want. And they will reply to you, I want this. How much does it cost? And of course, you're going to offer it for $97, or you can charge whatever you think, okay? So you might think that $147 would be a better price. Go ahead and try it out. I think $97 is a pretty good, realistic amount actually to get started with, because I think that if they are going to be satisfied with one video, they can actually come back to you and they want another video and another one. So think of this in long term, all right? So there you have it, guys. It's a great way to make money online. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels, hit the notification bell, and make sure you check out my other video recommendation at the end screen. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.